One machine. Multiple possibilities, designed for efficient floor deck production. This double-layer, floor deck roll forming machine combines productivity and flexibility in a compact design, an ideal solution for manufacturers seeking greater efficiency. Built with a heavy-duty frame, the machine offers excellent stability and durability. Every section is engineered to support long-term industrial operation. The feeding system ensures smooth coil handling and accurate material positioning. Stable feeding contributes to consistent production quality. Precision roller stations gradually form steel sheets into high-strength floor deck profiles. Optimized forming technology helps achieve uniform dimensions and reliable performance. The double-layer design maximizes production flexibility while reducing equipment footprint, a dependable solution for modern floor deck manufacturing.